Imagine this: your home, the place meant to be your sanctuary, could secretly be working against you. Could the objects you've kept for years be holding you back from happiness, success, or even love? What if, without realizing it, you're inviting bad luck into your life? In today's video, we'll uncover 8 surprising objects that might be blocking positive energy and attracting negativity into your home. Drawing on the principles of the law of attraction, we'll explore how the things around you impact your energy flow and ultimately your life's outcomes. Stay with us until the end, as you might discover unexpected culprits hiding in plain sight. Plus, we'll share practical tips to turn your space into a magnet for good fortune and abundance. Welcome to Imaginative Realities, where we dive deep into the power of thoughts, energy, and the unseen forces shaping our lives. If you're ready to transform your surroundings and unlock your true potential, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Let's begin. Have you ever held onto a broken mirror, a cracked vase, or a clock that no longer ticks? These items might seem harmless, even nostalgic, but they carry an energy that can subtly disrupt the flow of positivity in your home. In many traditions and belief systems, broken objects are thought to symbolize stagnation and unfulfilled potential. A broken clock, for instance, represents time standing still, hinting at a life stuck in the past or hindered progress. Mirrors, often seen as gateways to reflection and energy, become carriers of fragmented energy when cracked. Instead of amplifying light and positivity, they distort it, creating an unbalanced and chaotic atmosphere. Even damaged furniture or household items send a subconscious message of neglect and disorder, which the law of attraction may interpret as a signal of how you view your life. By holding on to these objects, you may unknowingly anchor yourself to old patterns, missed opportunities, or unresolved issues. Repairing them, if possible, restores harmony and balance. If repair isn't an option, letting go of these items can create space for something new, both physically and energetically. A clear and uncluttered environment invites fresh opportunities and renewed energy, aligning with the abundance you want to attract. Imagine walking into a room filled with stacks of papers, clothes tossed everywhere, and items crammed into every corner. How does it make you feel? Overwhelmed? Uneasy? That's not just your imagination. Clutter doesn't just take up physical space, it clogs the energy flow around you. In the principles of the law of attraction, your surroundings act as mirrors of your inner state. When your home is chaotic, it reflects and amplifies chaos in your mind and your life. Excessive clutter creates a sense of heaviness. It overwhelms your senses and can even elevate stress levels, making it harder to focus or feel at peace. Each pile, forgotten drawer, or crowded shelf represents stagnant energy that blocks the free flow of abundance, opportunities, and joy into your life. And the message you send to the universe, that you're okay with holding on to unnecessary baggage, both physical and emotional. Clearing away clutter, on the other hand, signals to the universe that you're ready to make space for what truly matters. It's a powerful step in shifting your environment from chaotic to calm and inviting the kind of energy you want in your life. Take a moment to consider the artwork or decor in your home. Does it make you feel uplifted, or does it evoke darker emotions? Art has a profound impact on our subconscious mind. Pieces with violent, sad, or chaotic themes, even if admired for their creativity, can carry heavy energy that subtly affects your mood and vibrations. The law of attraction teaches us that what we focus on, we attract. Surrounding yourself with negative imagery may unintentionally pull more negativity into your life. Imagine a painting of a stormy sea or a somber face. It may resonate as a masterpiece, but over time, the feelings it stirs up could linger in your space. This doesn't just alter the room's energy, but can also influence your thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. Your home should be a sanctuary, and the visuals around you play a key role in shaping that environment. Instead, consider replacing these pieces with artwork that feels light, uplifting, or neutral. A serene landscape, Abstract patterns in calming colors, or anything that brings you joy can shift the energy in your home. By choosing decor that radiates positivity, you create an atmosphere that aligns with abundance and peace. Dead plants or flowers in your home might seem harmless, but they carry a symbolic weight that often goes unnoticed. They represent decay, neglect, and endings energies that are counterproductive to growth and abundance. When you keep dried out stems or lifeless plants around, you inadvertently allow stagnant energy to linger in your space. This energy can subtly influence your environment, making it feel heavy or lifeless. In the context of the law of attraction, dead plants can block the flow of vitality and fresh opportunities. Healthy, thriving greenery, on the other hand, is a powerful symbol of life, renewal, and continuous growth. It not only enhances the visual appeal of your home, but also promotes a sense of well-being and optimism. Maintaining vibrant plants isn't just about aesthetics, it's about aligning your environment with the kind of energy you want to attract. Watering, pruning, and caring for your plants fosters an active connection to abundance and nurtures the cycle of giving and receiving. And if keeping plants alive feels like a challenge, start small with resilient varieties or even artificial plants that mimic the look of life. The key is to surround yourself with symbols of vitality and possibility. Used or hoarded items often carry more than just dust. They carry a message about how we view abundance and scarcity. Holding on to things you no longer use or need can reflect a deeper fear of letting go, as if releasing these items might leave you without. This mindset aligns with a scarcity mentality, which signals to the universe that you believe resources or opportunities are limited. When you declutter, you're doing more than clearing space, you're making a powerful statement of trust. By letting go of unused items, you create room for new possibilities, demonstrating faith in the flow of abundance. This act sends a clear message: you believe in your ability to receive and attract what you need when you need it. Every item you hold on to just in case weighs you down energetically. That old gadget, the clothes you haven't worn in years, or the pile of unread books, they might feel harmless, but they anchor you to the past and block the flow of fresh energy. Releasing these items not only clears your space, but also frees your mind, making room for prosperity to flow in unexpected ways. The objects we keep in our homes often carry stories, and some of those stories might not be ones we want to relive. Items tied to painful memories, such as gifts from a toxic relationship, souvenirs from a difficult period, or belongings of someone who caused harm, can hold heavy emotional energy. These objects act as constant reminders of negative experiences, subtly keeping you tethered to those emotions. By holding on to these items, you may unknowingly keep old wounds open. They prevent you from fully moving forward and embracing new, positive experiences. Energy, according to the law of attraction, responds to your emotional and physical environment. Surrounding yourself with objects that evoke sadness, anger, or regret creates a space that perpetuates those feelings. Removing these items is a symbolic act of release. It's not just about decluttering, it's about breaking ties with the negativity they represent. Letting them go clears the emotional weight they carry, allowing fresh, positive energy to flow freely. Your home should reflect who you are becoming, not who or what has held you back. Mirrors are powerful objects in many spiritual and energetic traditions, but their placement is crucial, especially in the bedroom. According to Feng Shui and other spiritual practices, a mirror facing the bed can disrupt rest and amplify negative energy. It is believed that mirrors reflect and double the energy in a space, which can create a sense of restlessness while you sleep. At night, when your body and mind need to relax and restore, a mirror's reflective surface can act as a silent source of activity, bouncing energy around the room. Some traditions even associate mirrors with gateways or portals, which might leave you feeling unsettled or exposed. This is why many advise against placing a mirror directly opposite the bed or where it reflects your sleeping form. If you notice you're waking up tired or feeling uneasy in your bedroom, consider covering or relocating the mirror. By doing so, you restore a sense of calm and privacy, creating a space that fosters deep, uninterrupted rest and positive energy flow. Sharp objects, like knives or aggressive-looking sculptures, may seem like interesting decor choices, but they can create an underlying tension in your home. These items, with their jagged edges or pointed shapes, symbolize conflict, aggression, and hostility. According to various traditions, the sharpness of these objects can unconsciously introduce a sense of unease or alertness, disrupting the peaceful energy of a space. A knife, for example, is often associated with cutting or severing ties, which could subtly influence your environment, making it feel less inviting or harmonious. Sculptures with sharp, angular features or aggressive motifs can create a similarly unsettling atmosphere. The energy they exude can make a room feel tense or uncomfortable, and over time, this could affect your mood, relationships, and overall sense of well-being. To maintain a positive and peaceful home, consider removing or replacing such items with softer, rounder shapes or decor that promotes calm and harmony. This simple shift in your surroundings can help reduce negative energy and invite a more balanced, welcoming atmosphere into your life. To fix the energy flow in your home, start with regular decluttering. Each time you clear away items you no longer need, you're not just tidying up your space, you're creating room for new opportunities and positive energy. A clutter-free environment allows energy to move freely, making it easier for abundance and peace to enter. Next, replace broken or negative items. If a clock is stuck at a certain time or a mirror is cracked, repair or remove them. These objects symbolize stagnant energy. Consider replacing them with positive alternatives, like a fresh plant, an artwork that brings you joy, or decor that reflects your vision of happiness and success. Lastly, introduce elements that naturally enhance the flow of good energy. Adding plants is a powerful way to bring life and freshness into a space, while crystals can promote healing and balance. Opt for soothing colors like blues, greens, or neutrals, which can create a calm, serene environment. These simple changes send a message to the universe that you are open to receiving all the good that's coming your way. Your surroundings shape your energy and your reality. By being mindful of the objects around you, you can align your home with positivity and abundance. The things you keep in your space have the power to either lift you up or hold you back. Start small, declutter a room, replace one broken item, or add a plant. See how these changes begin to shift the energy in your life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on mastering the law of attraction. We're here to help you create the life you deserve.